guys, it's Sejal. So I'm in the Philippines. मैं एक island में हूँ called El Nido. I'm here for a छुट्टी with my brother. So I know a lot of you guys tell me that अगर एक लंबी trip पे जाती हो or even just a week-long trip, how do you carry so many clothes and not take up so much space? So I'm gonna show you a week full of outfits. That is 7 outfits, all packed in a backpack. So let's go. Enjoyed. This was super embarrassing to film. Everyone around me is judging me. Make sure you subscribe if you do, and I'll see you soon. Bye.